Down at Vosper's in Plymouth, we've got an Explorer here. This is a 79 kilowatt hour battery, so that means it's the all-wheel drive. So all four wheels are driven, but two electric motors. Gives you 340 PS of power, which is quite phenomenal really. 0 to 60 is sub, well, 5.5 seconds basically, which is it's quick enough by most people's standards. Finished here in lucid red. This particular car has also got the benefits of the heat pump. So if you're not plugged in and you're demisting, defrosting the car, warming it up, the heat pump is far more efficient and it takes much less of your battery. As the premium, then it also has the power tailgate as standard, which gives you a nice 450 litre boot. And then under the storage there, we've got the charge cable. This car also benefits from driver assistance pack. So in that instance, we've got an in windscreen heads-up display, to name but a few extras that come with that. Let's have a look at the interior. So premium interior with nice Sensico leather, electric seat on the driver's side with memory and massage. So as we sit into the car comes alive, just purely through your weight on the seat. And if I put my foot on the brake pedal, the ignition comes on. So the car is then ready to put into drive and ready to go. So in the dashboard here we can see all the information you need straight away, which is that what's my range, what's my battery percentage, my speed. It's got some autonomous systems in here as well, so it's telling us the distance between us and the car in front, and of course of who is sat in the car. So obviously it's just myself on the driver's seat, and then on the right hand side there what we're doing about gear. But we can move the dashboard around. Little controllers here on the steering wheel, so I push left, takes me across the left and talks more about our driver assistance programs. I go across the right, it would then, if we'd been driving, it would tell me more about our range and our electrical efficiency. Let's come back across to this side here. This car's in the showroom and not pushing the wrong button and not registered. We don't want to turn on Ford Pass, but Ford Pass is a fantastic functionality with an electric car in particular. Here you can see Google Maps, which is the standard arrangement in the Explorer, along with having the benefits of wireless CarPlay and Android Auto as well. And of course, you can see there straight away that the car is telling us where there's some charging points, which is all really good. You do also have wireless charging in the car here, and mobile phone storage across here. The armrest got cup holders, storage for coins and things, and then that all comes out and you then have enough space for a laptop, which is quite amazing really. That's one of the benefits, of course, of being an electric car without a transmission tunnel. It's given the designers the opportunity to do something else with it. Back on the screen we've got the opportunity to change different settings. So quite a nice one is ambient lighting, so we can change that setting. So you may have seen in the background just up here there's ambient lighting up there, and I can tap the screen, it's changing it. But I can also say, actually, do you know what, I'd like yellow, and it then changes that back. So it's doing it here, doing it in the cubby hole area here, and under the doors. Of course, this is also one of the major things of the Sync 4 system in the Explorer, is this is what's called a movable screen. So you can literally pinch and push and that screen moves up and down. And in here you can store some valuables. So, you know, if you had a camera, for example, you wanted it secure, you could literally put your camera in there, pull that down, and the car is turned off. That screen is locked in that position, so it's nice and secure. Car also has got 10-speaker Bang & Olufsen audio system, which then they have a sound bar, which gives a really crisp, good quality sound. And as I mentioned earlier, sunroof, so glass panoramic roof, doesn't open, but gives you a really good amount of light coming in, and is 99% UV reflective. So good if you're a bit like me and slightly follically challenged. Car's got auto lights, auto wipers, auto high beam, you name it, it does an awful lot for you, along with things like adaptive cruise control, which are great obviously with motorway driving. All done at Vosper's in Plymouth, all-wheel drive, 340 PS, Ford Explorer electric.